thought it would be great to take a trip down memory lane. I've been sowing spring garden seeds through the winter sowing method for years now, and with much success. It works. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. For the past few weeks, I've been sharing how I get a head start on my spring garden by sowing seeds in recycled milk jugs and clear plastic bottles. Winter sowing is a low-maintenance and budget-friendly way to start seeds. In this video, I will briefly share the process of winter sowing, from sowing seeds indoors to placing them outdoors in a sunny location to overwinter. And lastly, transplanting your plants outdoors into your garden without the hardening off period because they've already gone through the process. Please feel free to check out some of my other more recent videos explaining the entire process of winter sowing. My hope is that this video shows you just how easy it is to start winter sowing and getting a head start on your spring garden. As you can see, when the temperatures warm up outdoors, the seeds will germinate at just the right time. Once you've found an empty milk jug or clear container, add drainage holes at the bottom of your milk jug. Cut open your container. Leave a hinge to open and close. Add your soil. Sow your seeds and don't forget to label your container. Place outdoors in a sunny location and wait for germination in the spring or when it warms up. All right, we've made it to the fun part. Winter sowing really does work. The milk jugs have been sitting outside all winter long through the cold, the rain, and the snow. When you open up your milk jug or your container, whatever you choose to use, you will find healthy, thriving, beautiful, strong plants that are ready to be transplanted out into your spring garden. No leggy stems. Beautiful. I hope that this has encouraged someone to give winter sowing a try. It really does work. I don't know about you, but I am looking forward to the spring garden, looking forward to everything waking up, those young and tenders. I want my plants to have a great place to grow, so I make my own compost tea. I use kitchen scraps. I have a video on that as well. Plants are only as healthy as the soil that they grow in. Keep feeding the soil, and the soil will feed the plants. When the weather outdoors is consistently 65 to 70 degrees, that would be a good time to start removing your plants from your containers. To ensure successful plant growth, you should plant after the last frost date in your area. And that just means waiting until the danger of frost has passed. Spring is such an exciting time in the garden. I planted several seeds in my containers, so I am just separating them and getting them planted out here in my raised garden bed. If you don't really like the idea of having to separate your seedlings, you can just simply place 1 or 2 seeds in your container to avoid all of this. Once we've passed the dangers of frost, I love that I can plant my little seedling babies out into the garden. I don't have to worry about hardening them off. They're healthy, they're strong, they're growing in nutrient-rich soil. If you are new here, join the ELOC Nation. I enjoy sharing my gardening experiences with you all. Not only do I love sharing, I also enjoy learning from you all as well. We all have something to share. The greens in this raised bed were all winter sown. It works. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.